Wednesday, y'all. I'll tell y'all this right now. Kroger is definitely the place to be this week. A new mega event started today, and there are so many great deals. Like free laundry detergent, y'all, cheap food, you name it, we're getting it. Let's go. The Kroger Mega Event is a great way to score awesome deals. Kroger is basically giving you additional savings on already awesome prices. For those who may be new to my channel or new to couponing at Kroger, I want to talk really quickly about the Kroger Mega Event and what it is. What it essentially is, it is where Kroger offers a discount on select items. They give you $1 discount on each participating item. Something to note is not every item in the store is a participating mega event item. You will know if it is or not by the price tag. Underneath it, there will be a red label that will tell you when you buy 5 or more, you will save $1, and that tells you that it is a participating mega event item. Another huge component to the mega event is that you must buy at least 5 participating items in order to get the mega event savings. Now, you do not have to buy 5 of the same item. You can mix and match among participating items throughout the store. If you do not buy at least 5 participating mega event items, you will not get the $1 discount at checkout for each item. You must buy a minimum of 5 participating items. You can buy 5, you can buy 13, you can buy 21. It doesn't matter. As long as you buy 5, you will get that $1 off of each product. Now that we recap the basics of the mega event, let's hop into the deals for this week. Okay, let's just start with the free laundry detergent. This was my favorite deal this week. These all packs are normally $5.29, y'all, but they are on sale for $2.99. They are part of the mega event, as we can see there, making them $1.99 after mega event savings. We have a $2 off one manufacturer coupon that we're going to pair with this, which is going to make this pack completely free at checkout and give us 1 cent in overage to apply to the remainder of our cart. Now, the liquid all detergent is not free this week, but it is still an awesome deal. The all liquid detergent is normally $5.29. You can grab any variety, but it is also on sale for $2.99 and part of the mega event, making it $1.99 after mega event savings. We also have a $1.50 manufacturer coupon that we're going to pair with this, which is going to make it just 49 cents out of pocket for this bottle of all detergent. There are great deals on Snuggle products too this week. For the first deal, you want to look for any Snuggle product that is on sale for $2.99 and $1.99 after mega event savings. A couple examples of what you could grab are the Snuggle dryer sheets, or you could also grab the Snuggle fabric softeners. We have a $1.50 manufacturer coupon that will work on any Snuggle product. So with the sale price and mega event savings and our manufacturer coupon, we're going to pay just 49 cents out of pocket for this item. The last laundry care deal that we're going to do are on these Snuggle scent boosters. They're not marked in this store, but they are also on sale this week for $2.99. And I'm sure, as you guessed it, part of the mega event, making them $1.99. We have a $2 manufacturer coupon that we're going to use as well, which is going to make this completely free at checkout and give us 1 cent in overage to apply to the remainder of our cart. The 28-ounce bottle of Ajax is normally $1.99, but this week we're going to score it for 75% off. So it is part of the mega event this week, making it 99 cents after mega event savings. But we also have a 50-cent manufacturer's coupon that's going to leave us to pay 49 cents out of pocket for this bottle. Over near the clearance section, I spotted this display of Celestial Seasonings tea. It looks like it's some of the seasonal flavors that have been marked down. These are normally about $3.59, but as you can see, they were marked down to just 89 cents. When I scanned the product on Ibotta, it did attach to a 75-cent rebate. So I'm going to go ahead and grab one of these and pay that 89 cents out of pocket, but then get back 75 cents on Ibotta, making it just 13 cents. An FYI on when it comes to clearance items and scanning them on Ibotta to see if they attach to a rebate, You're going to have to gently pull back the sticker covering the barcode to see if it attaches. That's the only way, guys. You normally cannot scan the clearance sticker on Ibotta. In last weekend's inserts, we got a manufacturer coupon for a free Glade warmer. So I'm going to pick one up while they have them in stock here at Kroger. They are $1.69. And then I'm going to use that manufacturer coupon at checkout to get this completely free. We have an awesome deal on Suave lotion this week. These are pretty good sized bottles, y'all, so a great deal. This Suave lotion is normally $3.29, but it is on sale for $2.49. It is also part of the mega event, making it $1.49. This past weekend in the Unilever inserts, we got $1 off one manufacturer's coupon. So I'm going to use that on top of the additional savings and pay just 49 cents out of pocket for a bottle of this Suave lotion. Let's grab an essential item, this Purell hand sanitizer. It is normally $3.19, but it is on sale 2 for $5. You can grab either variety here, and then what you're going to want to do is scan it on the Kroger app. It will attach to a $1 off one digital. So that's going to leave you to pay $1.50 out of pocket. Once you pay that $1.50 out of pocket, take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta, where Ibotta is going to give you back another $1, making your net total for this 8-ounce bottle of Purell just 50 cents. The next deal I'm about to show you guys works for both Carefree and Stay Free products. So keep that in mind. I'm just going to show you guys the Carefree products in this video. You're going to grab any 2 Carefree products that are on sale for $2.99, as well as part of the mega event, making them $1.99 each. Scan both packages in the Kroger app to ensure that they attach to this 3 off 2 digital coupon. So both packages will total up to $3.98. But once that $3 off 2 digital comes off at checkout, that'll leave you to pay just 98 cents for both packs or just 49 cents each. L'Oreal Elvive shampoos and conditioners are also on sale this week. They are normally $3.99, but they are down to $3.49. Not only are they on sale, but they are also part of the mega event. After mega event savings, they are $2.49 each. But we have a 4 off 2 manufacturer's coupon that we're going to go ahead and use on these. So once we use that at checkout, that's going to leave us to pay just 49 cents each or 98 cents for both bottles. A ton of Crest toothpaste was marked down at my store. Y'all, like a ton. See right here, this one is on closeout for $1.97. And it is part of the mega event, making it just 97 cents. But we also have a $1 off one digital coupon that's going to make that free and give us 3 cents in overage. Keep in mind that clearance does vary by store, but definitely check out your toothpaste section. As you can see, not all have the white and red tag that show closeout. The ones that are part of the mega event do have the traditional stickers. You just have to look very closely to see that they are closeout. So again, check your stores. Kroger is running a great deal on Speed Stick deodorant this week. It's normally $2.19, but it is on sale for $1.99. And it is part of the mega event, making it 99 cents after mega event savings. We have a 50 cent off one manufacturer's coupon that we're going to use on this as well, which is going to leave us to pay just 49 cents out of pocket. You do have a couple of options for this deal. I just grabbed the men's Speed Stick and used the appropriate coupon, but you could also grab a lady Speed Stick, or you can grab both. The lady Speed Stick is running the same promotion this week. There is a separate manufacturer's coupon for the lady Speed Stick, so please keep that in mind. Next, let's grab 5 of these Good Belly probiotics drinks for free. These are normally $3.29, but they are on sale for $2.99 and part of the mega event, making them $1.99 each. I'm grabbing 5 and gonna pay $9.95 out of pocket. But there is an Ibotta rebate for $1 back on each one with a limit of 5. So we're gonna get $5 back from Ibotta. And then I'm also going to add the $1 Kroger Cash back offer to my account before I go check out. And it also has a limit of 5. So I'm going to get back $5 for this once I complete my purchase. It'll take usually just a couple of days to get that credit to my account. With that $5 back on Ibotta and that $5 back from Kroger Cash back, that's going to make all 5 cartons free. So I guess no one really likes these coconut core bars because that's all my store had, and I was really disappointed. This morning, we got a couple of new Ibotta freebies for core bars. Of course, the freebies were the items that they did not have at this store, but we're just going to work with what we got, and we're going to do the deal with the coconut chocolate chip core bar. The other flavors are bigger moneymaker deals, but like I said, we're just going to work with what we have. I'm going to grab one of these on sale at $2.49, but it is also part of the mega event, making it $1.49. When I scan the barcode in the Kroger app, a $1 off one digital coupon attached. So that's going to lead me to pay just 49 cents out of pocket. Then I'm going to take my receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $1 back on this flavor core bar. This is also attaching to a 10-cent any nutrition bar rebate as well. So a total of $1.10 back on Ibotta, making this free and a 61-cent moneymaker. Holy guacamole, do we have a good deal on this. Sorry, y'all, I had to. I found this holy guacamole near the salad at my store. Now, you can grab any variety here. You can grab the classic or the chunky. And it is on sale, y'all, for 2 for $5, so just $2.50 each. We have a $1 Ibotta rebate for this, as well as $1 back on Kroger cash back. So don't forget to clip that before you go to checkout. There is also a 75-cent rebate on the coupons.com app. So once we get money back from coupons.com, Ibotta, and Kroger cash back, this is going to be completely free and a 25-cent moneymaker. There are some awesome deals on Thomas bread products this week, but for me, it was a no-go at my store. They were completely out of both. For the first deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Thomas cinnamon protein muffins. They're $3.29, but they are on sale for buy one, get one free. That's going to leave you to pay $3.29 out of pocket for both, but you're going to get back 75 cents for each one on Kroger Cashback for a total of $1.50, and also $1.25 for each one on Ibotta for a total of $2.50. That's going to make both packs of these free and a 71-cent moneymaker, so great deal. The next deal is similar. You want to look for the Thomas mini croissants. They are $3.99 each and on sale for buy one, get one free. You'll pay $3.99 out of pocket for both, but then you're going to get back $1 on Kroger cash back for each one, so a total of $2, and $1.25 on Ibotta for each one for a total of $2.50 for both. After that $4.50 in cash back, that is going to make your net total for both packs free and a 51-cent moneymaker. Our last deal is super simple and one that anyone can do. This minute rice is normally $2.19, but it is on sale for $1.99. It is also part of the mega event, making it just 99 cents. But we have 2 different digital coupons that you can use. I'm just going to use the 50-cent off one digital coupon. That's going to make one pack of this just 49 cents. You could also use the $1 off of 2 digital coupon if you want and grab 2 of these for just 49 cents each. One last thing I want to make you guys aware of is that the Christmas storage containers are now 90% off at Kroger. My store didn't have a whole lot other than these right here, and it says they're $4.80, but I'll show you all the scanner here in a minute. They actually rang up for just $1.20 each, and it comes in a set of 5. So if you're in need of any totes to put up your ornaments or any kind of decorations from Christmas, be sure to check your Kroger and see if they have any available. Like I said, my store was pretty picked over, but I was able to grab a few of these to take home with me. All right, y'all, this was a pretty big haul, so there is a lot to recap. I did end up splitting my haul into 3 separate transactions. So the first one, I did all of the Snuggle, and the Ajax. So 5 total items in one transaction. So I'll show you the receipt there. As you can see, all of the mega event discounts came off and all of my paper coupons did scan. So no issues with this haul. I paid $1.45 plus tax out of pocket for all 5 of these items. So that was the easy transaction. Next, I did like an all digital transaction. This is gonna have like the Good Belly, the Carefree, the guacamole, the core bar, and the Purell. That's on this receipt. Okay, and let me show you guys. When I did my math before I went to check out, it said I should have paid $15.42 plus tax out of pocket, but my net total ended up being $16.42. So one of the mega event items did not come off. I asked the cashier if she could do it, which she's super great, and she did for me. So I was missing that dollar, so be careful on that. I'm sure one of the digital coupons is pushing it out. So again, just be careful. So I did end up paying $15.42 out of pocket, but then I'm supposed to get back $6 on Kroger cashback, which they did not go through, and I was kind of suspecting that they wouldn't, just because it says there's no participating item under the offer. So I will have to contact customer service in the next couple days and ask them to credit my account for that. So no big deal. And then I am to get back $8.10 on Ibotta. I submitted my receipt. It did not find the guacamole when I uploaded my receipt, so I had to manually add that. But I did submit for $8.10, and I am still waiting on that to credit as well. And then finally, I submitted my receipt to coupons.com for additional 75 cents back for the guacamole, which that usually takes a couple days to get credited for that. So that is how that transaction went. All right, my last haul had a little bit of everything. It was a mega event haul. It had digital coupons as well as paper coupons. You name it, it had it. And something I want to point out, y'all, if you are splitting up your transactions and you have mega event items, of course, make sure that you have at least 5 in each transaction in order for the mega event savings to come off. So I do recommend splitting up your transactions as long as you're able to do so between mega events and regular sale or regular price items. All right, so this had everything else on it. This had the L'Oreal, the rice, the toothpaste. Everything was on this receipt. So everything went pretty good, except that $1 of the mega event did not come off. I only had $5 come off, and I had 6 participating items. So I felt bad because the cashier had been helping me out so much, and she was really busy. So I just went to customer service for that, and they just gave me back $1. So it was $3.31 after I got that $1 back. And then my final net total for everything after 75 cents back on Ibotta, which I was credited for already, was $2.56 for this haul. All right, y'all, my final net total for all 23 items after coupons and rebates was $4.57. So under $5 for almost $80 of worth of products. So some awesome deals this week at Kroger, as you guys saw. So definitely take advantage of it. And y'all, every deal in this video had a net total of 49 cents per item. So like the L'Oreal, those were each 49 cents. So the deal was 98 cents total. So lots of great deals that you can keep your out of pocket per item very low. That concludes this week's Kroger haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.